Hi, I'm Kristen Williams, and my family has over 1 billion views on YouTube. All these play buttons you see behind me are from our personal channels, and in this video, I'm going to tell you the steps you need to follow to make money on your YouTube channel. The first thing you absolutely have to do if you want to make money on YouTube is know who your audience is, understand what they want, and know how you are going to deliver it in a unique way. This is a super important step in the YouTube growth journey, and a lot of people overlook it. People tend to just start a YouTube channel and start creating videos that they like, but you need to understand who you're creating those videos for. If you want help figuring that out and you want help figuring out how you can deliver that content in a unique way, then I've created a Facebook group that's just for people who are looking to grow their YouTube channels, so check out the link in the description below. After you've figured out who you're talking to, you need to understand YouTube SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it is how YouTube decides who to put your video in front of. This is one of the biggest things you need to understand if you want to make money on YouTube. Now, there's a lot of tools out there that can help you better understand YouTube SEO so you know what keywords you should be using in your videos to get those videos in front of the right people. My personal favorite is a tool called vidIQ. I talk about vidIQ so much on this channel, that's just because I love it so much. It's what we use for every video we create. They have free and paid versions. You can download the free version and get a feel for how it can help you determine the best keywords for your videos. While you're getting an understanding of YouTube SEO, I want you to also have a video plan. This is the next step that you need to take in order to make money on YouTube. You shouldn't just be posting random videos all the time. If you really want to take YouTube seriously, I want you to have a YouTube content plan. You already know your audience, you already know what types of videos they want to see from you. So make a plan and deliver those videos. After you've been executing this video plan and really getting a handle on what SEO you should be using, the next step is to take a deep dive into your video analytics. Your analytics, which are located in YouTube Studio, provide you with so much knowledge about what's working on your channel and what's not working. I'm gonna do a whole video series on analytics and how to read them and which ones are the most important. So subscribe to this channel if you wanna learn more about that. The next thing you need to do if you wanna grow your YouTube channel and make money on YouTube is share your video to the right people. Now, a lot of people on YouTube are going to tell you to share your video all across social media, and they'll tell you to ask everyone you know to subscribe. I don't want you to do that. Having subscribers that are engaged and actually want your content and watch all of your content, those are the most important ones. You can have thousands and thousands of subscribers because you're doing a sub for sub or a small YouTuber support thing, but those people aren't gonna watch your videos, and ultimately that's gonna hurt your channel. So share your videos to the right people. Okay, the last step isn't so much of a step as it is an overarching theme of this whole process of making money on YouTube, and that is learning to love failure. Now, this tends to scare and confuse a lot of people when I say it, so let me explain. YouTube is not the sort of place where you're gonna get it right every time, but you can absolutely learn a lot of information from those times you don't get it right. If you mess up editing a video or misspell something in a video, learn from that. Take a note, try not to do it again. If a video you think is gonna do great completely flops and gets no views, let's look at the analytics and figure out why. There's been times in my husband and my YouTube career where we actually fail on purpose just to test the system and see what works and what doesn't. Everything I teach you on this channel and in my Facebook group is all stuff we've learned from personal experience. I am 100% a student of my own work in that regard. I'm currently growing this channel to teach people like you how to succeed on YouTube. And while I'm doing it, I'm testing different things. Of course, I'm doing stuff I know that worked in the past, but I'm also testing different ways of doing things to see how YouTube reacts. So those are my key steps to making money on YouTube. It is completely possible to make money on YouTube if you want to do it full time, if you want to drive traffic to a website or product you sell. You can do it. YouTube is an awesome platform for everyone. If you want more YouTube growth strategies, I'm Kristen Williams. You can subscribe to this channel or check out the Facebook group I have linked in the video description. I'm sharing all the strategies and all the tips I've learned over the years of doing YouTube professionally. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.